If you struggle with nursing math, you are far from being alone. In fact, a recent study has indicated that up to 80% of people in the nursing program fail out due to calculation errors and not knowing how to perform the math. So, if you want to learn a simple, easy way on how to convert pounds to kilograms, please stay tuned. All right, so we're going to get into solving our math. Okay, so in this video, we are going to use math and we're going to convert pounds into kilograms to figure out how to solve and get our proper dosage that we need. In this case, we're going to still use our good old formula of doctor's order of on hand, or also known as have, times our vehicle. In this case, the doctor's order is Lovenox. Doctor wants to give 2 milligrams per kilogram. In this type, our vehicle in this case is going to be our converted kilograms for our patient. And we're going to solve for this. So the first thing we have to do is know that 1 kilogram equals 2.2 pounds. So in this case, our patient weighs 132 pounds. So we're going to take our 132, we're going to divide that by our 2.2 kilograms, and that's going to give us 60 kilograms. So that's what our patient's weight from pounds of 132 into kilograms is 60 kilograms. Now all we have to do is just plug that into our formula. In this case, this is going to equal our vehicle and go here. So the doctor's order is 2 milligrams over 1 kilogram times, in this case, our 60 kilograms. Now we're going to take and we're going to divide this out. That's going to cancel out our kilograms. So what's left is 2 milligrams times our patient's weight of 60. 2 times 60 equals 120. Kilograms are canceled out. We're going to give 120 milligrams per dose. It's as simple as that. If you have any questions or you want to see more information on this, please leave a comment in the comment section and I'll create another video just for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and share so we can get this information out to everybody else who needs it. Thank you.